How to make crock-pot black-eyed peas with smoked turkey wings my way. Are you ready? You know what time it is. Stop playing. Come on, let's go. Please feel free to substitute any of the above listed ingredients with your favorite seasonings. Using a colander or bowl, add your smoked turkey wings. Then rinse several times with cold water. Now add your cleaned smoked turkey wings to the bottom of your crock pot. Add your water, chicken, or turkey broth, your choice. Add enough to cover the smoked turkey wings. Put your top on. Put your crock pot setting on high for 2 hours. Using a bowl or colander, pour in your black-eyed peas. Carefully inspect your black-eyed peas for rocks, dirt, or bad-looking peas. Once found, throw them away. Now wash your black-eyed peas in cold or cool water several times. Add your cleaned black-eyed peas to a bowl. Cover with hot tap water and soak for 1 hour. This quick pre-soaking method is to help cut down on your cooking time. If you should skip this step, don't worry, your black-eyed peas will still turn out great. Now add your cleaned, soaked, and drained black-eyed peas. The ROTEL diced tomatoes and chilies. The meat tenderizer and baking soda, and stir well. Now add your onion and garlic powder, cumin, thyme, and oregano, smoked paprika, minced garlic, black pepper, brown sugar, slap your mama Cajun seasoning, McCormick seasoning mix, and mix well. Add your bay leaf, cover your crock pot with foil and its top, and cook for 2 hours on a high setting. Now add your PICTSWEET seasoning blend, which is peppers, onions, and celery, and stir well into your black-eyed peas and smoked turkey. Cover with foil and the top and cook for another 2 to 3 hours. After 5 hours, I removed the smoked turkey wings, shredded the meat, and returned the meat back into the crock pot. Serve the crock pot, black-eyed peas, and smoked turkey wings my way, on top of some steamed white rice. Fill your bowl or plate with the soft black-eyed peas, and don't forget the creamy and seasoned gravy. Garnish with some green onions and parsley, or live on the wild side and add some chopped turkey bacon as well. This recipe is a seasoning win-win and is definitely worth the wait. You have to give this recipe a try. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are so greatly appreciated. Check out MARQTHEINFINITE, music producer. Contact him through his Gmail and SoundCloud. And you know what I'm about to say. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Until next time. Bye, guys.